Well, another hot, sunny afternoon across the area. High temperature at the Savannah Airport today, topping out at 92 degrees. About 10 degrees above the seasonal average, but short of the record high for today of 96 on this day back in 1952. Here are your current temperatures across the area. We've got 87 in Reidsville, 88 in Pembroke, and 85 in Darien. Starting to see a bit of a cool down along the immediate coast. A very late day sea breeze held off by the westerly wind for a while. Just inland, we're still 91 at the airport in Savannah and 90 in Beaufort. It's a rather warm evening, but low humidity will make for a pleasant evening as soon as the sun starts going down. Wind direction tomorrow is going to be more out of the south in general, and that will help the sea breeze kick in earlier. Notice by the arrows coming from the ocean tomorrow afternoon at 3:30. That means that we'll have a better cooling effect from the ocean along the coastal counties as we head through the mid and late afternoons. So expect temperatures to not be as hot at this time tomorrow. Looking at your satellite and radar, just like you've seen throughout the day, all clear. And it looks like that will be the case again tomorrow. Looks there's no major weather systems anywhere close to us. Very quiet here across the east. As we check out what we're tracking here coming up, clear skies continue right on through your Wednesday. As we head through Thursday, we're still looking at mostly sunny skies. The green splotches you see show up on the map nearby, that's not anything of any significance, just some clouds that will mix in with the sun at those locations. Speaking of clouds, finally looks like on Friday we'll see some high clouds pushing in from the west that may dim the sunshine at times, but we'll still have enough sunshine to enjoy the day and have some warm temperatures once again. Speaking of warm, it remains that way across much of the country. Only the far northern tier have some cool weather, 50s and 60s. The storm track is much further north this week than last week when we had all the storms running to the south. Well, this week it's much further north, so south of that we're seeing the warm air really coming up and dominating. Lots of 80s and 90s on the map, and even some areas occasionally threatening 100 as you head over towards Texas. For us tomorrow, a nice start. Again, the low humidity makes for temperatures to drop off quickly at night, and we'll be around 62 when we wake up. In the afternoon, we'll be up to near 90 on average. Again, along the coastal counties, we get an earlier sea breeze that will make for pleasant temperatures from the mid and late afternoon on. As far as your tides go, we'll have a high tide at 2:37 in the morning. Meanwhile, out on the water, if you happen to have boating plans, you're going to be in great shape here as we head through the next 3 days with seas only up around 2 feet and the wind direction turning a little bit more towards the south. And that change in wind direction is why the sea breeze each afternoon is going to be a little stronger. And again, that will help to cool things down along the coastal counties in the afternoon. Latest pollen report showing that tree pollen and mold are both moderate. Grass pollen is just barely showing up. All right, here's your Storm Tracker 7-day forecast. And we're near 90 all the way through Friday. Over the weekend, it looks like it'll be just a little bit less hot. The highs drop into the mid-80s. Some moisture will increase, and by the end of the weekend, we may see a few showers in the area, but no washout. And then Monday, we also may have a slight chance of showers as well.